Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to give introduction about Notebook LM. So, what exactly is Google Notebook LM? Notebook LM is a note-taking and research tool created by Google. It uses artificial intelligence or AI to help you. It can help you to understand your notes. You can ask questions about your content. You can summarize long texts and you can also generate ideas and outlines. It is like having an intelligent assistant inside your notebook. Why LM? First of all, LM stands for Language Model. Google Notebook LM means Google Notebook Language Model. The same kind of AI technology behind tools like ChatGPT. This allows Notebook LM to read your documents and have real conversation about them. So, you are not just taking notes, you are interacting with the notes. So, what is happening is if you are a researcher or a student or engineer, or you could be in any profession, maybe you have a lot of information from notes or research papers or PDFs or books. If you want to learn that material quickly, if you want to analyze the information, then you can use Notebook LM to summarize the details, you can ask the questions, and you can interact with your content to connect your ideas. So in the coming videos, we are going to go deep into it and you will get better understanding of how we can use it in real time. So what can you upload? Notebook LM lets you upload and organize content like Google Documents, PDFs, notes from your projects or research, study materials, YouTube links. Once uploaded, Notebook LM becomes an expert on your content. The moment you upload the sources, the moment you upload all these details or sources or information into Notebook LM, it is going to analyze the information and then it is going to become an expert on your content. So, what can you do with Notebook LM? Here is what makes it powerful. You can ask questions about your uploaded documents. You can summarize chapters or long articles. You can brainstorm ideas and write outlines, and you can keep all your information in one place. And the most important thing is you can learn faster and work smarter. Simple example. Let's say for example, you upload a 20 pages report or 20-page report. Instead of reading every word, you can ask, what are the key points in this report? Can you explain this section in simple terms? Notebook LM gives you answers instantly, saving you time and energy. So, who can use it? Notebook LM is great for students for studying, note summarizing, and learning faster. For professionals, for project management, research, and meetings. For writers and creatives, for brainstorming, outlining, and content planning. And it is for anyone who works with a lot of information or data. So what are the key benefits? It saves time, it makes learning easier, it helps you stay organized, it offers personalized insights, and it works with your own materials. So it is like a tutor that knows your notes. Final thoughts. Notebook LM is not just a notebook, it is an AI powered thinking partner that helps you do more with your ideas, your writing, and your research. Whether you are studying, planning a project, or creating something new, it is there to assist. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.